Okay, so I'm still busy with my irrigation. I now still have to do an angle here. So just a recap, I'm trying to put in some irrigation so that it would automatically irrigate my garden. I've made some of these stakes out of 2mm binding wire, and I'm pushing it deep so that the wire would stay, this LDPE pipe would stay secure. I'm using this fitting. The only thing that you have to do is to press it in and it would seal automatically. So the idea is to make a rectangle here, and then I can run my irrigation in either sides and in the middle so that I can water all of my veggies and then as well as the flowers on that side. The stake method seems to work very well. I have reseeded the previous stake. I hit it a bit in. I've added one there. And now I think I'll add another stake there. I just want to get the full layout of this whole irrigation system. So it was a bit difficult, but the system is set up. It's connecting, going that way, looping around, and now it's finished. It's a bit hard putting in these fittings as they need to be fit and you need to push them all the way. So it was a bit difficult given all of these fencing and objects in the way, but otherwise it's good. Next, I'll be using this thing to put in some holes so that I finally can put in my irrigation system. And now all the irrigation is in. And the whole garden can be watered. Now I just have to automate this whole process. I like this one the most. It's like a downward spray. So I'm just testing out the different types so far.